Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. Think like a proton and stay positive. Let's begin.
The next out of this chapter is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder whose chemical formula is CaOCl2. It means its chemical name. Chemical name is calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride. Now how bleaching powder is prepared chemically? Bleaching powder is prepared when calcium hydroxide react with the chlorine. Yeah, if we can say that when chlorine gas is passed through a calcium hydroxide, it will produce calcium oxychloride plus water molecule. In this way, bleaching powder is prepared chemically. Next is the properties of bleaching powder. What are the properties of bleaching powder? First property, bleaching powder is a white color powder and have strong smell due to presence of chlorine, due to the presence of a chlorine in it. Second property, bleaching powder is easily soluble in cold water. It can be easily soluble in a cold water. Sometimes some minor precipitant may be left there due to the presence of a lime in it. I forgot one thing to tell you. Bleaching powder is also known as chloride of lime. Another name of bleaching powder. Now, next property of bleaching powder is bleaching powder can react with a dilute acid. Bleaching powder, for example, let me show you chemically, equationally. When bleaching powder react with a dilute sulfuric acid, it will form calcium sulfate chlorine plus water. This equation is used to show you that in bleaching powder, the chlorine will act as oxidizing agent. Now these are the three properties of a bleaching powder. Now what are the uses of bleaching powder? First one, bleaching powder is used as a disinfectant in water. Means it is used to kill germs present in drinking water. Second use, chloroform is used. Bleaching powder is used in manufacturing of a chloroform because it contains chlorine. Second, next use of a bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is also used to make the wool unshrinkable. means it is used in dry cleaning purposes, etc. For especially for the woolen clothes, which may shrink easily. Another use of bleaching powder in many chemical industries. Bleaching powder is used as a oxidizing agent. It means it helps to prepare number of chemicals where it is used as a oxidizing agent. Another use of bleaching powder is also used for bleaching cotton, linen, etc. in many textile industries. Even it is also used in a laundries where clothes are washed and pressed. These are the number of uses of a bleaching powder. Now let me discuss some questions relating to this topic. First question is, why is bleaching powder used for disinfecting drinking water? Why it is used? It is because it releases chlorine gas. Let me show you chemically. When bleaching powder comes in contact of a carbon dioxide, this carbon dioxide gas is released by microorganisms which are present in water. And it will form calcium carbonate plus releases chlorine gas. This chlorine gas is used to kill microbes present in drinking water. In that way, this bleaching powder works. Second question, what happens when chlorine gas is passed through dry slaked lime? Write the chemical equation for this. What is a dry slaked lime? Dry slaked lime is a calcium hydroxide. When chlorine gas is passed through this dry slaked lime, it will form calcium oxychloride, which is also known as a bleaching powder, and also produces small amount of water. It means this question is directly represent how to prepare a bleaching powder chemically. I hope you understand this topic. We'll continue in next video. See you soon.